Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of Pisces for May 2024. Unahin po natin ang general forecast, susundan ng career and money, and then relationships or love life, and then advice cards. Welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel nito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Okay? So, unahin natin general forecast. Okay. So, you have the King of Wands, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Three of Cups in reverse, Eight of Cups, and the Hangman. Okay. Pisces. King of Wands, papasok siguro ng May, you are feeling a lot of determination to move forward. At the same time, there is also a sense of pressure. Yun yung nafe-feel ko kasi parang may gusto kayong gawin, but at the same time, parang alam mo yung may expectations sa'yo or ikaw sa sarili mo. Wheel of Fortune in the past, there are situations that have been parang feeling mo na sana may solution yung mga situations mo. But in May 2024, there is this Three of Cups energy in reverse that is parang medyo may konting I don't know if this is an issue with your friendships or with the people that you are close with, na parang hindi ka masyadong nakakakuha ng support. There is this feeling na parang yung support system mo medyo mababa, but it's just a feeling. Ang nakikita ko ito is parang they may be somehow are busy, or they may be somehow may iba silang kailangan gawin, ganyan. So you might feel as if na parang nasaan na sila? Or parang andyan pa ba? Naalala ba nila ako? May kailangan ako sa kanila, ganyan. So there is this feeling. Maybe it's just you're also maybe distant to some people. You have the Eight of Cups na pinapagawa sa inyo ng universe. Eight of Cups meaning just remove yourself from the situation na parang hindi ka masyadong masaya. Remove yourself from this situations na hindi masyadong nagbibigay sa iyo ng support. Ibig sabihin, hindi din lahat ng situation na parang makikita mo na parang hindi masyadong encouraging. You need to somehow distance yourself from that. Okay? You have the Hangman as your potential energy in May 2024. The Hangman is telling you na parang lahat kasi ng ginagawa mo ngayon, lahat ng magiging decisions mo, may ano yan eh, kumbaga may cause and effect yun eh. So you have to be kung ano yung tatandaan mo na lahat ng gagawin mo, yung equal amount or yung kung ano yung karma nun, yun din yung makukuha mo. So you have to remember that. Okay? I hope that resonates. So, kuha na tayo ng career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube. Like and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan na i-share ito sa mga kakilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel. Para blessings lang ang umiikot sa community natin. Okay? So, pagdating sa work, career, money, you have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Again, this is your second Wheel of Fortune in reverse card. The Wheel of Fortune kasi you may feel like parang stagnant yung dating mo sa career or money. Parang may mabagal ng konti. Let's not say stagnant talaga, pero medyo may bagal na energy dito. So that's something na meron sa energy, sa what's around you, kung ano yung situations or kung ano yung nararamdaman mo currently or papasok or right before the month. Two of Wands energy in reverse in the past. may mga bagay siguro na hindi mo masyadong napagplanuhan, hindi mo siya masyadong napansin, that these things na, alam mo yun, may mga bagay na hindi mo masyadong binigyan ng pansin in the past. Or maybe you missed out on some kind of decisions. You have the Queen of Cups energy in May. Queen of Cups is na in reverse is telling me na parang may mga situations na medyo mainit ang ulo mo. May mga situations na parang hindi ka masyadong na medyo emotional somehow yung dating, no? So let's see. Ace of Pentacles sa advice mo. Ace of Pentacles is telling you to make time or start something new, start a new project, create this new project, or parang alam mo yun, parang kung sa tingin mo kailangan, kung masyadong mabagal ang mga nangyayari, mag-initiate ka ng sarili mo, because ang potential outcome mo is Four of Swords na nakabaliktad. Four of Swords, dapat hindi ka hindi ka dapat magpapahinga lang, ganyan, hindi ka masyadong anong word yon, yung petics. Yung hindi ka magiging petics, kailangan mong magpaka-active ng konti, okay? Yun yung nakikita ko, yung magiging active ka naman talaga, kasi parang wala sa nature mo na parang hayaan mo na lang yung mga bagay na nagiging tamad-tamaran lang, or parang hindi nagsisit right for you na ganun lang. So let's look at your relationships and love life. Relationships, love life, pwedeng jowa, pwedeng family, okay? Pwedeng friends. Relationships and love life, okay? Okay. Isa pa nga. Ayaw niya eh. Okay, Pisces, relationships and love life. Hindi kinakailangan na jowa lang. Pwedeng family, pwedeng friends, pwedeng relationships with your colleagues or katrabaho or kaibigan. Okay, Five of Discs in reverse. You have this energy na pinabaliktad mo yung mga bagay. Kumbaga may mga active kang ginagawa pagdating sa relationships mo, na parang minsan kunwari may mga nawawalan ng tiwala, ganyan, or nagkakaroon ng issues, ginagawan mo siya ng paraan, ng solusyon para mabago siya. You have the Prince of Swords in the past. You are coming strong with your relationships pagdating sa para kang nagiging leader para kang nagiging let's say para kang nagiging solusyon, nag-iisip ka ng solusyon, gumagawa ka ng solusyon, okay? You have the Ten of Wands energy in your month. The Ten of Wands is telling you na talagang active ka sa paggawa ng solusyon. You're really doing your best para sa responsibility nito. You have this sense of responsibility, and it's a good thing. Medyo nakakapagod siya, yun yung dating niya sa akin. But you are able, capable, and kaya mo talaga itong responsibility, itong pinapagawa sa itong kung ano man yung nakikita mong parang challenge for you. But yun nga, you will I see a lot of opportunity for you for growth. Minsan may mga bagay dito na hindi mo pa nagagawa before, pero tumatayo ka because kaya mo siyang parang instinctive siya yun yung dating niya sa akin. Ang advice sa inyo is the Princess of Discs in reverse. Sinasabi sa inyo na mas maging responsible ka sa pagsisimula, maging responsible ka pagdating sa time mo, pati sa pera mo. lalong-lalo na kung may kinalaman sa mga kasama mo. You have this responsibility na alagaan yung pera mo, alagaan yung kung ano man yung mga binibigyan mo ng panahon sa relationships. You just have to be more responsible on that too. Hindi lang yung sa mga practical na bagay or yung mga nasa harapan mo lang pagdating sa relationships, but the thing din also sa iba pang bagay. Okay? So, you have the potential card na the moon, and it's telling you na sometimes it's okay to just look at the things na parang medyo malayo. It's okay na parang sometimes nagiging ilusyonado ka. But also have that parang practicality kasi nga yun yung pinapagawa sa iyo ng advice card eh. Okay? So, kuha na tayo ng advice cards. Meron po tayong 2024 forecast for your sign. Kung hindi nyo pa yun napapanood, hanapin nyo lang po sa videos ko. Yun po ang gabay ninyo sa buong taon. So, this is your first advice card. Second advice card is this. Okay. Next advice card. Okay. So, una, release resentments about money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world, and this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. So, minsan nakaka-frustrate yung pagdating sa pera, no? Pero, alam yon, kahit anong estado mo sa buhay eh. Kung sa tingin mo mahirap ka, mayaman ka, may kaya ka, lahat ng tao, merong sana mas okay yung ganito, sana mas okay yung ganyan. Alam mo yon, pero wag mong siyang masyadong bigyan ng wag mo hayaan na yung ganong klaseng situations ay magbigay sa iyo ng parang pagkainis or pagkayamot or pagka-limit kung paano mo titignan ang money. So, kung kaya mong gamitin ang kung anong meron mo to do something, do it. Okay? Spring, awakening, projects, and renewal. So, there are so many things na pwede mong gawin. There are so many things na nagbibigay sa iyo ng konting paggising, ganyan, nagbabago ka din. Gaya ng yung ibang tao, habang ginagawa mo yun, makipapansin mo din yan sa sa energies ng mga environment mo and ikaw mismo. Ang importante is ikaw mismo nakaramdaman mo yun, yung pagbabago and yung pagmulat sa mga nangyayari. Travel, let every aspect of this trip unfold in harmony. May divine order arrange and handle every detail. I will be guided easily and follow the leads as they are shown. So, kung kaya mong mamasyal ka. It doesn't have to be very far. It doesn't have to be, pag nagbabago kasi yung environment mo, nagkakaroon ka ng refreshing thoughts, nagkakaroon ka ng bagong energy, and somehow, darating din sa inyo yung baka dumating sa inyo yung mga ideas. Okay? So that's how, just try that. Okay? So, yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember na sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.